Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing video with Scott. Today we're checking out this top quality laminator. So that's what it says. We're going to put it to the test and find out. So let's go ahead, open this up, see what you get inside, and test it out. So it's got fast speed, release, hot and cold. Alright. Alright, so it looks like this is a bundle. You got a one-hole puncher. Oh wow. Nice little kit in here. You got a manual. You got laminated paper already. And there's actually a lot too. And you got bigger sheets of laminated paper. And again, there's a lot. Like, this is heavy duty. Well, so far I'm impressed. You got photo hooks as well. Wow. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it's definitely feels like it's good quality. So looks can be deceiving, but so far I'm pretty impressed. All right, wow. Wow. I mean, there's a lot to look at here. You got open, close, you got all these different settings. That is amazing. So I assume you can use this for cutting. You got a measuring stick on here, which looks like goes up to 12 inches, I believe. Wow. A nice little unit. So let's go ahead and plug this in. All right. So, okay, on the back. Oh, wow. So you got a round corner tool back there. Impressive. So let's see. On-off button on the side here. You have hot and cold. So we are turning it on. Photo holders. And you have these little mini clothespins, as we used to call them. You can put photos in there. You can hang them up different ways. You know, this is a completely do-it-yourself kit. Yeah, you skim over the manual a little bit while it's working. Yeah, it's just basic, simple information that pretty common sense. We're gonna go and wait until it says ready. So we're gonna take a sheet that they provide us with. So for laminating, it's simple. You just peel, and in between you put the laminating paper, you put your paper that you want laminated. So like this. It's actually best to have it. Again, it's not professional. I'm just simply testing it out, doing a test run. Now you wait until this turns green, I believe. There's a little light on here. So once that turns green, then you're ready to go. So we're gonna put our paper in like this. Lay this down. So what I'm going to do is check out this cut. Yeah, you can actually change how you cut the top of it. So if you want like this ripple, like almost like a saw effect, you can do it that way. Very, very interesting. All right, guys, when it's ready, it lights up green. So we are now good to go. So you want to try and line your paper up as good as you possibly can. So there we go. Now we're just gonna slowly push it in until it starts feeding it. Now it's gonna automatically feed it through. All right, guys. So it laminated great. Now you just cut it so you can cut it how you want it to. But yeah, laminate's good for your documents. Overall, it works good, guys.